Welcome to my channel. The story surrounding innocent Idibia, also known as Baba, and his current wife Natasha Osawaru has captured nationwide attention, drawing in fans, critics, and concerned observers who are trying to understand how a celebrated love story suddenly spiraled into heated public controversy. In this video, I will take you deep into the events, emotions, and unfolding reactions that surround their current situation, offering clarity, balance, and a thoughtful perspective that focuses on understanding rather than fueling drama. This is a sensitive topic involving real human beings whose private struggles have unfortunately become headline material. So it is important to approach the story with maturity and empathy while focusing on verified information. The issue began after Baba and Annie Idibia parted ways, ending a long and well-known marriage that had captured the hearts of many Nigerians. Soon after, Baba's public relationship with Natasha Osawaru became widely discussed, especially when she updated her identity online to reflect the Idibia name. What looked like a fresh start for both quickly shifted into something more turbulent when viral clips, alleged confrontations, and emotional reactions began circulating across social media platforms. Because Natasha is also a sitting lawmaker in the Edo State House of Assembly, the matter has taken on political dimensions, making the entire situation even more complex than a regular public relationship scandal. If this video is interesting, take a moment to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications in order not to miss my next video. Engage with my content by liking, commenting, and sharing this video. The controversy intensified when a video appeared online showing Baba in what seemed to be police custody in the United Kingdom after a reported disagreement during a music tour. Although details remained unclear, the clip spread rapidly, fueling widespread speculation, emotional debates, and conflicting narratives. These rumors generated confusion and concern, especially among fans who feared for Baba's safety and well-being. Around the same period, emotional exchanges during a live stream triggered more tension, with some parties accusing Natasha of exerting an unhealthy level of control over Baba's personal and professional life, claims which contributed significantly to public backlash. As the situation grew, it began to affect Natasha's public office. Videos and viral posts led the Edo State House of Assembly to summon her before the Ethics and Privileges Committee, citing concerns that the ongoing controversy was damaging the image of the legislative body. This dramatic shift from a marital matter to a political inquiry intensified public interest, with many wondering how personal struggles could escalate into institutional issues. While Natasha was given a set period to defend herself before the panel, the public conversation kept expanding, creating a volatile environment filled with speculation, criticism, and polarized opinions. In response to the pressure and growing noise, Baba released an emotional video urging the public to remain calm, stop escalating the situation, and allow him and Natasha the space to resolve their issues privately. He clarified that he was safe and insisted that the sensational narratives circulating online did not represent the full truth of the situation. Earlier in the year, he had also issued a public apology to Natasha after a controversial podcast statement about men and monogamy went viral. His attempts to restore peace show that behind the headlines, there are real efforts being made to settle things quietly and respectfully. This story is a reminder that celebrity lives are often treated like entertainment, even though they involve genuine emotions, complicated realities, and private battles that outsiders cannot fully understand. The issue between Baba and Natasha reflects not only their personal relationship challenges, but also society's growing habit of injecting itself into the private affairs of public figures without considering the consequences. The public should be cautious because words, speculations, and social media reactions can affect mental health, careers, and relationships in ways that are far deeper than most people realize. In the end, beyond the trending clips and viral posts, The truth remains that relationships take work and conflicts become harder to manage when the whole world is watching. What do Baba and Natasha need the most right now is healing, privacy, inner peace, and the space to address their issues without external pressure. Their situation should inspire a broader conversation about compassion, responsible social media behavior, and the importance of allowing couples, especially public figures, the dignity to manage their private affairs. Subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications in order not to miss my next video. Engage with my content by liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Visit my channel to watch more helpful videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.